ማይነስ ማግኘት የሚችሉ ሲሆን ክላውድ 9 በመብረር ደግሞ ቦነሱ ጨምሮ 5000 9 በመብረር ደግሞ ቦነሱ ጨምሮ ሰባረሱ ላስተናጋጆች እንዲመልሱልን በአክብሮት እንጠይቃለን። ለትብብራችሁ እናመሰግናለን። አመሰግናለሁ። Glad to announce that Ethiopian Airlines frequent flyer program to Sheba Miles allows you to enjoy a range of benefits including generous mileage awards which can be exchanged for our tickets and upgrade anywhere on the Ethiopian network. And we highly value your feedbacks and comments as it helps our continued effort to improve our service to meet your requirement. Shortly our coming crew will distribute comment card to all passengers. Please take a few minutes of your time to fill them out and return the completed form to the cabin crew before the end of your trip. Thank you for your cooperation. Provided for in flight use is a members. ሰዓቱ ከጠዋቱ ለ2 ሰዓት ሩብ ጉዳይ ነው። ለደህንነታችሁ ጥንቃቄ ሲባል ቆይታችሁን እሷን የሚለው ምልክት እስከሚጠፋ ድረስ እንደተቀመጣችሁ እንድትቆዩ በጥብቅ እናሳስባለን። ከላይ የሚገኙትን የሻንጣ ማስቀመጫዎች ስትከፍቱ ዕቃ እንዳይወድቅባችሁ እንድትጠነቀቁ እያሳሰብን ከአውሮፕላኑ ከመውረዳችሁ በፊት ምንም ዕቃ አለመርሳታችሁን እንድታረጋግጡ ልናስታውሳችሁ እንወዳለን። ይህ የበረራ መስመር ቁጥር T703 እና SK8950 የመጨረሻ መድረሻ ስለሆነ በኢትዮጵያ አየር መንገድ በአውሮፕላን ዋና አብራሪ በካፕቴን ሽመልስና በተቀሩ የሥራ ባልደረቦች ስም ከኛ ጋር ባደረጋችሁት ጉዞ እንደተደሰታችሁ በመተማመን ወደፊት በሌላ የኢትዮጵያ አየር መንገድ የበረራ አገልግሎት ልናስተናግዳችሁ ምኞታችን መሆኑን የገለጽን እንሰናበታችኋለን። በኢትዮጵያ የምትቆዩ መንገደኞቻችን መልካም ቆይታ እየተመኘን እንሰናበታችኋለን። አመሰግናለሁ። መልካም ቀን። Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We have just landed at Addis Ababa Bole International Airport and the local time is 7:45 a.m. For safety reasons, all passengers must remain seated until the passenger seatbelt sign is turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as some objects may have shifted during landing. When leaving the aircraft, please check that you are not leaving any of your personal belongings behind. This is the termination of the codeshare flight between Ethiopian and Scandinavian. On behalf of Ethiopian Airlines, Captain Shimendes and his crew, hoping that you have had an enjoyable flight with us, I would like to say goodbye and wish you a pleasant stay in Ethiopia. We look forward to serving you on one of the codeshare flights again. Thank you and have a good morning.